So, chat, about a year ago, I installed these stairs at my house. This is the top room. These are the stairs. So unfortunately, chat, I can't record while climbing. It's gonna be too hard. So let me just climb them and make another video. I'll join them. Okay, chat, this is video number 2. And as we can see, it's really cloudy out here. A few droplets of rain came. But yeah, anyways. Yeah. So, this is the view. Look, chat, just look. All 4 ways. We got them buildings, them houses, even the school. We got them neighbors. So yeah, see you in the next video, chat.